SideQuest is a great way to allow full customization on your MetaQuest 2 VR headset and unlocks games that are not currently available on the traditional Oculus Store. Hey everyone, in this video we'll be going over step by step on how to download SideQuest for your MetaQuest 2 VR headset right now in 2022. If this video helps you in any way, please leave a like as it will help this video reach out to more people. As I will be walking through the how-to step by step, please utilize the chapters function to navigate through the appropriate section. Let's get started. First, what is SideQuest? SideQuest is one of the most useful tools used in order to unlock the full potential for your MetaQuest 2 has to offer. SideQuest allows you to perform and enable additional functions on your MetaQuest 2 that is typically not allowed on the headset. It also allows you to install new games and apps not available on the traditional Oculus Store that are typically free to download. Just as a side note, SideQuest is not intended for piracy of games, but rather allows for game developers to offer the unofficial version of the game to the community prior to official launch. The SideQuest team ensures all content within SideQuest to be safe, so you can confidently browse through the numerous content within the app. Before getting started, here are the things you'll need to access SideQuest. First is a PC or a Mac running any firmware, and the specs of the computer doesn't really matter, any old device will work. Second is a USB-C connection from your PC/Mac to your MetaQuest 2. One that comes right in the box for the MetaQuest 2 will work, or if your computer doesn't have a USB-C connection, it will have to be a USB to USB-C cable. Last thing you'll need is a smartphone with the Oculus app installed. After you have everything, now we are ready to move on with the how-to. Using your browser on your computer or smartphone, navigate to the developer site for Oculus using the link you see or through the link in the description. After you get to the site, go ahead and log into your Facebook or Oculus developer account. Now you should see this page. Enter in whatever name into the text box you see, and please make sure to read the disclaimer, and if you do, click on I understand. Please skip this step if you are planning to install SideQuest using a Mac. This is only required for PC users. The ADB drivers are needed for your PC to properly communicate with your MetaQuest 2 headset. The file does say Oculus Go ADB drivers, but this will work just fine with your MetaQuest 2. Navigate to the link shown on the screen or from the description below. Now that you're there, please click on download, and once the file is downloaded, extract the zip folder. Right click on the Android_Win USB.inf file and click install. Now that you're a developer, open the Oculus app on your smartphone. Please make sure your MetaQuest 2 is on and is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. In the menus tab, tap on devices and make sure that your MetaQuest 2 is connected. And under the headset settings, you'll see developer mode. Click on a toggle to activate developer mode. In my case, my developer mode is already activated. Once you have enabled developer mode, it is a good idea to reboot your headset to be able to see it on your device. Go ahead and connect your MetaQuest 2 to your computer via the USB-C cable. If it's your first time connecting the headset to your computer, you'll see a notification on your headset which asks, Allow USB debugging. Please click on Allow Always from this computer if you don't want to see the notification every time you connect your headset, and click OK. If you have any difficulties connecting your headset to your computer, you may want to 1. Disable unlock patterns if it's on through the settings, or 2. Using a USB-C cable that is not the one you received from the box. Doing these things will typically allow you to connect your headset with ease if you are having trouble. Last thing to do is to navigate to the link that you see now, or by clicking on it from the link in the description. Download a file appropriate to your computer you are using, and once downloaded, go ahead and install the application. Once you have SideQuest open, check on the top left to see that your headset is connected, which is indicated by the green dot. To download a game, simply click on the title and follow the download instruction, which can be different from game to game. Once you have it downloaded, move to your MetaQuest 2, go to the app library, unknown sources, and click on the title to open the game. To change settings traditionally not available on your headset, click on the wrench icon and simply click on settings that you would like to change. Please note that every time your Meta Quest 2 is turned on, the setting will reset, so you will have to come back in to enable the settings again. If you click on the folders icon, you can navigate through the files on your headset, which is how I prefer to download screen recordings from my headset to my computer. That is it for the video. If you have any questions regarding this how-to video, please let me know in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you enjoy VR related content, please hit the subscribe button below, which is free of charge to see more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.